Hi guys, it's Doreen and welcome back. It is so good to see you guys back here. Today I have a product review video for you guys, and this is going to be from the company, I believe it's pronounced TIJN, which is a Dutch company from the Netherlands. The spelling of it is TIJN, but they were kind enough to want to send me glasses to review and give my honest opinion on. If you guys didn't know, I do actually wear prescription glasses and I wear contact lenses, but my prescription glasses are actually very, very old prescription. They actually don't work for me anymore. So they were kind enough to want to send me new glasses as well as sunglasses, give you guys my first impression and honest opinion of what I think of them. This video is not sponsored in the way that I was not paid money to create this video, but they did send me the product for free just to let you guys know, so you guys have that information. I'm just really excited, so let's just get right into it. So in their About Us section in their website, it says that they were inspired by the cultural diversity while studying modern music in Amsterdam, and they focus on art of the daily lives of people and the connection between us and the planet. They are challenging the consumerism that was advocated by luxury brands and trying to concentrate more on sustainable living. In that sense, they want to create a lot of really good high quality products, and they work very close with the manufacturers that go into creating these products and also keep it at a reasonable price. So I think that's really awesome, and I'm really excited to get to the unboxing. So here we have the box, and let's just get opening. So it did take them quite a while to actually create the product because, like I said, I do wear prescription glasses, so it did take them some time to actually use that prescription. I sent over my prescription from my optometrist, and they were able to obviously create it based on that. I believe it took about 10 business days to actually ship it out, but once they shipped it out, it actually took not quite a lot of time at all. It came here pretty quickly, but obviously you should take account into the actual making of the product, and obviously if you need a prescription, it's going to take more time to do so. So here we have one of the boxes. I don't know which one's going to be which, but I'll try to take a guess. I would like to ideally try the eyeglasses on first. We have two of the boxes. So I have a feeling that these ones are the sunglasses. So I'm going to open the gray one first. And here it says we use minimalistic and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And here we go. TIJN Eyewear on Instagram to share the story of your eyes. And then it has their social media and their Instagram handle. And this is just my order ID, which has my shipping information on it. And yeah, I believe this is the actual eyeglasses. So I was right in picking this one first. And it says here, chapter 5, and the spring arose on the garden fair, like the spirit of love felt everywhere, which I thought is really cute. And then again, it has their social media on there as well. So this is the Henk glasses in the shade Coffee, and it is single vision and classic glasses. So here's what they look like out of the box, or in the box. And it comes with a little pouch like this. And then also in the box we have here a cleaning cloth. And I don't know what this one is. I have a feeling this might be some nose caps. Oh, this is to adjust. So yeah, we do actually have a tool here to adjust, and we do have some nose caps here. Or nose pads here. I don't know if you guys can see this well. And also some very, very tiny screws. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but yeah. So I'm gonna keep this safe in here, and then we have the tool to adjust it as well as needed. So I'll keep everything here. And now we have the glasses. It comes in this beautiful sleek black case. And it has the name of the company. I love the simplicity of it. Here they are. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here's what they look like inside. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna actually have to take off my contact lenses to do this. So let's do that first. I just washed my hands. All right, so here's 1 and 2. Okay, so right now I cannot see anything. I love this type of frame here. Oh my god. This is so crazy. It's giving me a little bit of a headache because it's a really, really strong prescription. But I was told by my eye doctor that once I do move up to my prescription, I would be able to see better, but it's going to take some adjusting. Oh my god, I can actually see so clearly. This is crazy. I think these suit me a lot. They're so beautiful. I love them. Oh my gosh, so nice. I finally have glasses that actually I can see out of. This is gonna be so nice when I wake up in the morning and I reach for my glasses and I can see, because I don't drive with my glasses too, since like I said, they're really, really old prescription, and my prescription has moved up since then. But yeah, it's gonna definitely take some adjusting. Right now everything's a little bit wobbly. That's always how it is when you're getting new glasses, especially new prescription glasses. Yeah, so let's talk about the frame of the glasses. So I got these in a non-blue light. I just got them in the classic version just because I think that they would just be a lot better for me. I love them so much. But yeah, here you guys can see a little bit of a close-up, what they look like. I am far-sighted, I believe. Or no, I'm nearsighted. So that's why they're making my eyes look a little bit smaller. There's some glasses that you guys see that some people that they wear them and it makes their eyes look really big, and those are for far-sighted people. I'm already getting a lot more used to them, which is nice. But these ones were retailing for $50. And here we go. You guys can see about the frame, made from a high quality metal material. The lenses are made from a polycarbonate. They are scratch and impact resistant. So if you actually want to get these with a prescription, so you just go ahead and, well, non-prescription, it would obviously be free. You don't have to include extra anything. But for single vision, it would be with like astigmatism. I used to have astigmatism, but it went away on its own. So that would be an additional $50. And progressiveness is what I have. Like, I actually need glasses to see. And that would be an additional $130, which I think is super, super reasonable, especially because you're buying the frames for $50, which is not that much. It's super affordable. And they're such a nice quality, not only just quality, but just such a nice style as well. And I picked out these glasses specifically because I think that they fit my face shape the most. And they have them coming in variety of colors. I also have them in a pink color and gold color. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these glasses, how they look like on me. I actually really like them. I'm already really getting used to the prescription. I can actually see really well out of them, which is awesome. And I do like the little nose caps here, that they sit very nicely. They feel very comfortable. They don't feel like they're gonna slide off. Here's how they look like from the sides here. And as you guys can see, I actually do have a very, very thick prescription here. The lens is really thick. But what can I say? I'm blind, so I need these very desperately. But I think that the curve of the parts that go in your ear actually sits very, very nicely. In the past, I would always need to adjust the glasses, but these are not going anywhere. They're sitting very, very nicely. Yeah, I love them. They're so nice. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my contacts back in. Okay, so now that I have my contacts in, I'm ready to go ahead and open the second box, which is the blue one here, this navy blue. So let's go ahead and open it. So here again we have the card. Okay, and then I have the order number here and the item information as the previous. So this one comes in this gray case here. And it also comes with a cleaning. Oh, I didn't notice that, so that's so cute. It says Life is Art on the cleaning cloth here. And you also have here the nose pads and the screws and everything that you would need to adjust it to your liking, or if you need to replace it for any reason, so you can do so. So here is how, this is such a nice material. So this is actually a leather kind of suede material. I love the shape of this and the design of it. But here you just have a button up at the top, so you pop it open and you can take out the glasses. Oh my god, these are so cute. So these are the ones I ordered. These are the Thomas in the gold color. And I love these. These feel so nice. So I love the shape of them. I wanted to get more square ones, which I thought would be very classy, and they also are very trendy right now as well. I do think that it's a very timeless trend, which can look good. Ooh, these are super nice. So they are polarized, which is nice. And oh my god, I love these. It looks so cute. Yes. They're very sassy, but also very classy, so I love them. But I love the gold color here, and that the actual lenses are in a slight green color. And yeah, I do love them. They look so cute. So the nose pads are also very comfortable, and you actually have little T's here And I did not get these in a prescription, but I do believe that you can if you want to order them as prescription sunglasses. I like how lightweight they feel too. They don't feel like super, super heavy. Okay, so Thomas and gold color. So these ones retail for $75. And of course, you guys can use the coupon codes that they have available online. Are made from a metal material, and they are made, also the lenses are from a polycarbonate. And these are polarized, so it eliminates glare and increases visual clarity, reduces eye strain, and enhances color contrast. And they are also scratch and impact resistant. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear these so much. They look so cute. I love them. Thank you so much to TIJN for sending me these glasses and for asking me to create this review video. So far, I actually am totally in love and honestly super, super happy with this company. They were very professional and they sent out the products super quick. I'm actually really, really happy with the products. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them, and especially with my glasses too. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave in the comments down below what you guys thought. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, definitely let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!